So lately in the comments, Slay the Day has been begging me to show a mermaid tail braid. And to be honest, I did not know what a mermaid tail braid was, and I didn't know if it was any different than a regular fishtail braid. But I just tried to look it up, and I saw one tutorial here on YouTube by this user right here. And I was very intrigued, and I thought I'd try it out myself. Now, this does require quite a bit of rubber bands and is probably best done on wet hair. You see, I have some strays and whatnot. So I'm going to try it out on my re-rooted Britney Spears doll, whose hair I just re-rooted and then never did anything with. And she has very long hair. I have not cut it or anything yet because I don't know what I want to do with her, but I will use her right now to practice this braid and show you how I did it on this doll. And like I said, I'm just following the YouTube tutorial that I watched, so definitely watch that one, but I will try and replicate it as well. First though, I think it is best to do it on wet hair, so I'm going to get her hair wet. Okay, so her hair is wet and we are ready to try and start working with it. So like I said, you're going to want a lot of elastic bands. So I have these very, very tight orthodontic bands. So we're just gonna start with like two sort of small sections like this. We will take the band and you can see, yeah, I put some conditioner in the hair so that way we can try to get this as clean as possible. We're just taking small sections and rubber banding them together, trying to get them to look neat. Just like this. Oh my gosh. And then once you've got something like this, you've got the first one, the new one, you're going to take the first one and you're going to pull it up and out. And then you're going to go and get the second one and you're going to pull it up and through the first one. And then now I can sort of tighten the first rubber band because I'm pretty much done with that. And now we need to create our second section. And same as we did the first time around, you're taking the one before, pulling it up, and then taking the new one, pulling it through the last one, and then you just keep repeating this whole process as far down as you want. And eventually, this is what you're kind of trying to create. So let's keep on going. And I do have some very slippery conditioner in her hair to make sure that no strays get pulled through. And I think it's also working in my favor, the fact that this hair is pretty much all one length. There are no layers or anything. So yeah. And this is what you're getting from the side. But this is really the look that we are going for, is what's happening here in the back. And it hopefully looks like a fishtail or a mermaid tail. No, this is not a fishtail braid, it's mermaid tail braid. It looks really good when it is done neat and clean. And I think that is just the tough part, is to keep it neat and clean and keep any strays out of the way. I think it definitely works best with longer hair. And yeah, so you know, you could keep going. I don't think I'm gonna keep going because this is a pretty tedious process. So yeah, this is a mermaid tail braid. Let me know if you have any other ideas for braids or different sea, aquatic, mermaid, fish inspired types of braids. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.